Warning, these 3 penny stocks could potentially make you millions of dollars. Welcome back to Practical Investing. Today, I'd like to share 3 penny stocks you need to add to your watch list immediately. Be sure to watch all the way through so you don't miss any of the important details, as we do have a lot to cover. Before I hop into this video, if you are new to this channel, you're going to want to subscribe as I talk about the hottest stocks and always get straight to the point. So please consider subscribing and turning on your post notifications if you like channels that get straight to the point. With that said, let's get right into this video. So the first penny stock on the list is TransEnterix Inc., ticker symbol TRXC. Guys, let me break this company down and then give you my price target. TransEnterix is a company focused on digitizing the interface between the surgeon and patient to improve minimally invasive surgery through a new category of care called digital laparoscopy. Digitizing the interface enables the use of advanced capabilities like augmented intelligence, connectivity, and robotics in laparoscopy, and allows the company to address the current clinical, cognitive, and economic shortcomings in surgery. The system featured the first machine vision system for use in robotic surgery, which is powered by the new Intelligent Surgical Unit called ISU that enables augmented intelligence in surgery. Guys, that is huge, okay? And also the Senhance surgical system brings the benefits of digital laparoscopy to patients around the world while staying true to the principles of value-based healthcare. Guys, that is going to bring a lot of money savings, okay? The product is available for sale in the US, Europe, Japan, Russia, and select other countries. TransEnterix Inc. had a good day on market for Friday, January 8th, as shares jumped 28.95% to close at $1.16. With those gains on Friday, TransEnterix Inc. now has a market cap of $115.9 million. Shares of TransEnterix Inc. have been trading in a range of $2.62 and 29 cents over the last year. Guys, here are some recent positive highlights on TransEnterix that further confirm the potential of this stock to continue climbing in price. First is Senhance Surgical System received its registration certificate by the Russian Medical Device Regulatory Agency, which allows its sale and utilization throughout the Russian Federation. That is a huge thing, guys. Next thing is a hospital based in Louisiana named Southern Surgical Hospital entered into an agreement to lease and utilize Senhance Surgical System. Guys, this is another good thing for the company. And then the first pediatric cases utilizing Senhance were completed in October of 2020, representing the first time that 3mm instruments were used in robotic pediatric surgery. Guys, definitely keep a close watch on TRXC stock as we head into next week. I am going to buy on dips and my price target is going to be $2. Remember, always conduct your own due diligence prior to making any investments, and be sure to have a good exit strategy, as making money in the stock market is all about good risk management. The goal with penny stocks is to get in, make money, and then get out. The next penny stock on the list is 22nd Century Group Inc., ticker symbol XXII. 22nd Century Group Inc. is a leading plant biotechnology company focused on technologies that alter the level of nicotine in tobacco plants and the level of cannabinoids in hemp cannabis plants through genetic engineering, gene editing, and modern plant breeding. The company's primary mission in tobacco is to reduce the harm caused by smoking by using their proprietary reduced nicotine content tobacco cigarettes, which contain 95% less nicotine than conventional cigarettes, to adult smokers in the US and international markets. The company's proprietary technology allows 22nd Century to decrease the biosynthesis of nicotine and other nicotine alkaloids in tobacco plants through genetic engineering. This enables them to regulate nicotine content in tobacco plants without adversely affecting other leaf components important to tobacco plants' characteristics, including the taste and aroma. XXII is currently trading higher than its 50-day and 200-day moving averages, respectively, indicating that the stock is an uptrend. In fact, the stock's 150% gain over the past few months reflects a solid short-term bullishness. On December 8th, XXII announced that the US FDA, in coordination with the National Institute on Drug Abuse and others, has submitted an order to XXII for 3.6 million new spectrum variable nicotine research cigarettes. Guys, that is huge news for the company. The company's research into cigarettes will continue to feed numerous independent scientific studies seeking to validate the public health benefits identified by the FDA and other implementing a national standard requiring all cigarettes to contain a minimal or non-addictive levels of nicotine. Guys, definitely add 22nd Century Group to your watch list. I will be building my position on this stock starting next week and cost averaging in. I really do believe this technology could be groundbreaking as it will save a lot of lives impacted by smoking. The third penny stock on the list is Cloud Commerce Inc., ticker symbol CLWD. Cloud Commerce is a company leading the new age of data-driven marketing technology with the integration of software and services. Their proprietary audience building solution called Swarm is powered by advanced data and behavioral science, artificial intelligence, and market research techniques, which they leverage to deliver predictive insights, creative direction, and precision-focused results to their brand partners. This unique method measures every conversation in the funnel, engaging relevant consumers with the right content at the right time. Guys, that is a huge platform, okay? This past Friday alone, the Cloud Commerce stock soared by as much as 100%. You may be wondering why this stock soared so much. Well, the company announced the launch of an artificial intelligent venture. The product in question is meant for boosting its proprietary Swarm solution and help Cloud Commerce clients in cutting costs for advertisement by as much as 50%. Guys, that is a huge number, okay? This particular update on Friday was possibly the main reason behind the rally in the stock. It goes without saying that the stock is likely going to be in focus among investors this coming Monday. Guys, I definitely suggest you add this stock to your watch list immediately. I really do believe artificial intelligence is the future, and with Cloud Commerce taking these steps to incorporating this into their existing solutions, it's going to be massive, especially when you think about the money saved along with the efficiency they will be able to achieve. So guys, don't sleep on Cloud Commerce and keep a close eye on this stock. So what do you guys think of these three penny stock picks? Go ahead and drop your comments down below. Feel free to suggest a penny stock, and if I think it's a good choice, it may be featured in the next video. Also, if you want to earn 4 free stocks valued up to $3,700, sign up to Webull and make a minimum of $100 deposit using my link in the description. Guys, this is basically free money. Also, I have a link for Robinhood that will give you a free stock. Guys, my goal with this channel is to help you reach financial freedom, whether that is with stocks, passive income, or some other form of investment. The thing that really separates my channel from other stock market channels is that I do not waste your valuable time and get straight to the point. If you join me, I promise you will thank me sooner rather than later. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button along with dropping a comment for me and the YouTube algorithm. Also consider subscribing and turning on your post notifications. I really would appreciate it. Guys, it's very important to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an opportunity, as some of my picks are very hot and could run quickly. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.